Let us.
The students from the SEM unit, can you please stand right where you are? I will come to you. Thank you. Give them a round of applause. And ocean still, my face will stay. I will hold on.
I think that's deep enough. I think. Not my plant pot full of red ants. Oh, red ants, red ants. Don't bite me, don't bite me. Ayo, look at red ants. Oh, you know, that ant's nest in my pot. Okay, so this is what we're cooking today. We're cooking curry chicken with broccoli and carrots and rice and beans with corn. I think I did good. I'm trying something new today. I'm making rice and beans and I'm gonna do some curry chicken with some corn and some broccoli. So I have the beans. I pressure cook it for a bit, so now I put the water in the pot. I seasoned it up, add some garlic, add some thyme, add some frozen coconut milk right there. And so I'm getting the water to bubble up, and then I'm gonna add the rice. We have white rice today. I never had white rice, but I don't normally cook white rice, but this is what we have, and so I'll see how that come out. And let me focus on the chicken now. Okay, this time I remembered to burn the curry. I used this curry and some masala, and because I'm using chicken breast, I'm gonna put in the potatoes first so that they can cook like mostly cook first and then add the chicken, because chicken breast cooks so much quicker than the potatoes. I'm gonna add all the potatoes in here. And then the chicken gonna go in last. Ooh. Add some thyme. Add a little bit of seasoning to it. Add some water. Some black pepper. Some salt. And let it cook in, and then add chicken legs. Well, when you want to try new rice, apparently this rice does cook fast. So it's giving rice pop. It's giving rice pop. So I ate my food. I gave it a 4 out of 5. I'm being biased because it's me. I cook it. The rice, nah, let me 3.5. Because the rice sappy. So if we can get rice to fix, then it can come up to a 4. But it was good. My belly is small, so I couldn't finish it. But I am pleased with this cooking. The more I practice, the better I will become. In Jesus' name. Hey friends, today is Friday. We are now at the beginning of camp and we're gonna be here until Sunday, so I'm gonna vlog the experience so you guys can see it. Right now we're setting up the tents and then we will set up inside the tents once it's up. So let's go and do that.
Where's the other one? There. Yes. Stay there. Push. 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 Yes. Now don't want to put. That's okay. No, put it down. Put it down. Good.
All right.
For the girls.
It's almost up. Okay. I'm so excited. Look at it. Let's get okay. This is where we'll be entering. The tour of my tent. There's nothing in here but my bags. So I have a blow up bed. I have my clothes. I have food stuff. I had to get an extra bag for my towel and charger and stuff. And we're staying right next to the generator, so we have power. Yes. Good morning from camp. The first night wasn't bad. It was very windy. We had our line call where we had to do our morning watch, and so now we're getting ready to start the day. So I have to clean up my space. Looks a mess for inspection. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now, and then we're gonna get some breakfast and get ready for service. We are ready for inspection. We're all, nice and clean and set up and ready to go. So just for a run through of what we'll do today. So 5 to 6, rise and shine. 6 to 7, we have line call. 7 to 8, we have breakfast. 8 to 8:30, we have camp duties. 8:30 to 9:30, we have worship. We have 9:45 to 12, class session. Have lunches 12 to 1. 1 to 1:30, camp duties. 1:30 to 3, rest. 3 to 4, explorers worship. 4 to 5, class session. 5 to 6, Bible quiz, Bible games. 6 to 7, line call and worship. 7 to 7:45, supper. 7:45 to 8, camp duties. 8:45 to 9:45, drill and march. 9:45 to 10:45, social. 10:45 to 11, preparation for bed. 11:15, lights out. And so we have the sun is rising. So beautiful.
Cold. It was cold.
To the shower I go. I see there's a chair, so I think I can use that too. Hello, is there anyone in here? Oh, Sister Lynette, you're here. Have you showered already?
No, because look at down here.
Okay.
I thought they
Bent up. What else? How does it look like? What human power can switch that problem? More trees around you. But if you refuse to grow, then you will die and you will not fulfill your purpose. So it's very important that as young people, number one, we decide to have good friends, good decisions. And it doesn't matter where we are, whether we are alone, whether there is no one that is with us, we decide to grow.
clap your hands.
The natural flow of things. Those that are poor in real life, they're always in need of something, and when they get an opportunity to receive something, they're very much grabbing at it. And so I think Christ wants us to be.
You're spending that money on food. You have to get good proper food. But
I have
when
this
you go
garlic,
to
but
camp,
finding it is the problem.
But gold is not a product of the earth. It is something that God put in the earth. Did you all get the point? Yeah. So God said, cover the.
Okay, so it's rest time. We cleaned up, we had lunch, had some rice and beans with some steamed veg, some vegan sausages, and some green salad. We had some very informative sessions on the sanctuary. And so it's now time for, personal time. I'm in the tent laying down. I opened up the window because it was feeling a little bit hot in here, so I hope that I can get a little bit of a rest before we start again at 3. I don't have that much space, so I don't know. So I don't know if I will be able to finish out the camp, vlogging the camp or not, but I'll try to get as much footage as I can by taking little snippets of everything that's happening so that you guys can see and get a feel of what the camp is like. The sun is beaming in on my bed. Oh my god. Why did I pick this side of the tent? Because dang. Alright, it is now after 5 minutes to 6 o'clock. I took a nap. Sure did. Because just felt like there was nothing else to do, so I went to sleep. So now I'm gonna go outside. Not I want to spin the tent with me. Well, yes. I want to spin the tent. Look. Oh shucks. I wasn't recording. Oh boy. I don't know why I'm always doing this nonsense. Let me show you how it was. Look at this. Suppose he had a bite me sting me while I was sleeping. Oh my god. Let me come out of this tent.
Straight line. Straight line. Let's go. Straight line. As I behind them. Stop. Freeze. You're not doing this good. Let's do it again. So come back. Stay. Freeze. Your partner is Amishe. Isaiah. Amishe, good. Shakai. Come here.
Good morning, friends, and this is the end of the vlog. Camp is finished, we're packing up, and we will be leaving around 12. Don't know what breakfast is gonna be like yet, but I'm ending the vlog here. Bye. So we are on the beach trying to light fires, to learn how to light fires in the wilderness. So let's see what I go at, because I don't know how to light no fire in the wilderness.
We're gonna put the stick later. Where is our stick for? What are we doing? No. What are we cooking after? Potato. What did you bring? Flour. Potato.
Catch it, catch it, catch it.
Yes, long time.
Very good. Very good. Keep
Don't
it
finish
blazing.
one.
Come, keep it blazing. It's not supposed to out. Give me a matchstick. No. If it's out on your own.
Eat out?
Keep it blazing.
Feed it.
Light yet? It ain't light yet? It dropped. I ain't
Yeah,
see no
fan it,
blaze.
fan it, fan it, fan it.
The dry thing down in the bottom of it.
Yeah, come closer still.
Not even mind it.
Our fire is blazing. So we have to wait for this to burn down a little bit before we cook anything. But at least we accomplished lighting the fire. Something smelly yummy. Why our potato outside the foil paper?
It fall.
Renisha.
Call somebody else.
Ah, fine.
Potato and foil it. Just wash it out in the salt water and foil it.
Okay, so overall this camp would get let's see 3.5 out of 10. It was really good, but some parts of it, me having to wake up early in the morning, the porta potty, and the food being cold, not being in warmers, give them a lower score. But it was good overall. It was good. So for real now, I gotta end this vlog because my battery about to die. So bye guys.